Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well guys, here I am at my kitchen. Yep, I'm in my kitchen. So I am taking part in a collaboration hosted by Melissa from I am Marely Melissa. That's a mouthful for me to mention. I will leave her link of her channel in my description box, guys, so you can go and check it out. She does this collaboration Thursday, the second Thursday of every month, which is decluttering, cleaning, organizing. So guys, a lot of you know that I moved in here about 2 months ago and it was in a rush. So guys, the only thing that I don't like about my apartment is that I don't have any space to put anything. I was gonna clean under my kitchen cabinets, but that's another monster. That's a monster that I have to have patience to tackle. So I have this drawer. I'm gonna start working one drawer at a time. As you guys can see, I have this monstrosity here and this one here. But this is the one that I use the most because I actually use this stuff to cook. So guys, I want to get it organized. I went to Dollar Tree and I got me some of these containers to organize my dog water bowl. So to organize the drawer. So I want to start by taking everything out, cleaning the drawer, and then I'm gonna get rid of the things that I'm not going to be using. So, in washing the stuff, there's a lot of stuff here that I use daily, and there's a lot of stuff that I don't use that I am going to be getting rid of, putting them in a box. I use them, but not as much as I need to because they seasonal. For an example, this, you guys can see, this is a seasonal thing for Christmas, and there's no Christmas coming until next year. So I want to do that, and I'm going to take everything out, and I'm going to come right back, guys. Well, I have everything taken out, guys. Is it me, or I don't know how crumbs get on the drawers? I really don't know how. So I want to spray with Windex. I'm going to use Windex, and then I'm going to be using something else just to get the... I don't know. I have never tried to take this drawer out, but I think I could take it out. I don't know. Let me see. I have never tried. Hopefully it does come off. Oh, it does. All right, guys. So I'm going to clean this drawer, and I'm going to come right back. All right, guys. This is all the stuff that I had in the drawer. I cleaned the drawer. The drawer looks way cleaner. It actually looks brighter. So this is something that I have for a long time, which I'm going to replace with this one because I do use it constantly. So this one is going out to the trash. So hopefully it doesn't fit in there, but it's okay, guys. Like I said, I have some things like this is from my piping bags. So I will be keeping these because I do bake. These little molds here I also use. I usually do my own little pastries. So I use this to do cupcakes. And this one I use to do I don't know how to call it, but it's an Italian pastry that you make with like cheese inside. I forgot the name of it. I only have 3. I have more than this, but I gave a couple of to my sister, so I will keep those. And also I use these little molds to do cornbread. So And also I use this to do little, when you make a loaf of bread, so you make a own little loaf. So also I will be keeping these. Um, but this is gonna be going to storage. I have some real, like you see these ones, they look dark. These are real 9 to 5 spoons. I have 3 of them. I cannot find the other one, but I have this one, and I have, oh, here's the other one. I got it. Here's the other one. I have these two. These are actually 9 to 5, not plated, real 9 to 5. I also have the one for my children, which is this one right here. I use for my daughter, and then I use for my son. So these ones I will be putting in storage with my other silverware, which I also do have. So this also is going to be going to storage, and this is what I'm left with. So I don't know how this is going to help me. Hopefully it does help me. I will be putting my little molds here in the corner. I will be doing this. I'm going to be watching. This is going to the trash. I don't need this. This is from my baking, which I do use. This is going to the trash. I don't need. I do use my knives, so I will be keeping those, of course. My bread knife, I will be keeping. I don't know if you guys know what this is. I used to use this when I worked in the restaurant. This was my own private blade. So I do use this. This goes through anything, bones, frozen meats, you name it. So I will be keeping that. So anyways, I'm going to wash this stuff, and then I'm going to come right back. All right, guys. I clean, like I said, I clean the drawer. I have one of the containers, plastic container here in the bottom. Even though it's a drawer, you guys gonna be like, oh, a container, but it's still gonna get messy. I understand, but these are things that I use, but are not in the regular basics. So this belong to a pot that I actually have in storage. So I was thinking, I said, where are these handles? This is a pot. These handles are like rubber, but the pot, you take the handles and you could use it to bake. It's like a Dutch thing that you use to bake as well. So I have to put that with the pot. And so that's the stuff that I'm gonna have on the bottom. And then this was used for my grandson's birthday party last week. So I'm just gonna leave them there just in case we need them. And then on the 2 big knives, my 2 big knives did not fit here. So I'll put them here on the side, the bread knife and the butcher knife. I have the 2 small knives here. And I have my spatula. I'm going to put this here too because I don't bake every day. So here, this is my little red cutting board, which I am going to put on the side because I do use constantly. And I have I don't know what you call this, but when I fry donuts, because I do make homemade donuts, I use this to take them out. So it doesn't fit in the container. I'm going to leave it on the side. This right here is from my Hoffman grill. So I will put it here on the bottom. And of course, my knife file thing. What do you guys call this? I don't know what you guys, but you know what this is. So I'm going to put that there. So actually, I'm going to put it here on the side. Again, it doesn't fit in there. My spatula doesn't fit in there either. So and this, I use it every day for when I make my tea. I like to squeeze my lemon. So I put that in there. And my kitchen scissors, I do use constantly, so I will put it on the top, and my 2 spoon. Guys, compared to in my drainer. So compared to everything that I have, I mean, let's see if the door closed. Okay, so it closed. Compared to the stuff that I have, so I think it looks much better. Um, that, like I said, is going to storage. My silver spoon. Oh, I have my little molds that I use constantly, so I will be placing this ones back here. And my little top for my pot for when I make my homemade tea. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's my. What do you guys think? Should I tackle this one? I think I will leave this one for another collaboration because that one is gonna drive me insane. I'm not gonna do that one right now. But yeah, guys. Well, I always wanted to do the drawer since I moved in here, and I guess you see collaborations. It's about decluttering. Take part in it, and believe me, you will get the motivation to do anything. So, Melissa, thank you, because if I would not find your channel, I would not be doing this. I would be like, okay, I'll leave it for later. And guys, I have really bad OCD, and the reason why when I go to attack a drawer, I don't do it right away is because I get so much anxiety. But I did it. It's one less drawer. I only have 2 drawers, so and then I will be doing this one. I think I'm gonna do a video on this one. Is where I have my Huffman grill and my things, and like I said, I don't have any space, so this is why I don't go under here. It gives me so much anxiety, and I get nervous. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Yep, there's my Ajax, guys. This is how I clean my stuff. All right, guys. Bye bye.